This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Venza. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, big 20-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a collapsible steering column, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 42,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Don McGill Toyota of Katy is located at 2155 Katy Freeway in Katy. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.